All right, so the very first thing I'm doing here is I'm sectioning off the top because we're going to save the top for later and take down the sides and back. So what we're going to do is we're going to start our scissor over comb throughout the sides, throughout the back, and take it nice and tight, nice and short. Alright, so now we're working in panels throughout the scissor over comb, working from the right side, now to the back, and then slowly working our way to the left side. So a great way to eliminate those little kind of extra hairs that are sticking out a little bit further is just go through and freehand those hairs right off the head. Alright, so now I'm using the barbering comb, which is the fine tooth comb, to scissor over comb the hairline to get the hair around the sideburn, around the ear, around the neckline, nice and tight and short. Alright, so now I am just working on the neckline with some trimmers and the barbering comb, taking it nice and tight, cleaning up the neck. As I mentioned before, I'm not a fan of hard lines, so I'm just kind of using the barbering comb to fade out any lines throughout the neckline, leaving it nice and natural. Alright, so we've taken the clip out of the top and we are now bringing the top down and connecting it to the underneath that we just got done scissor over combing. And basically what I'm going to do is just blend the top with the sides throughout the head, working from right to the center back, and then from the left side to the center back as well. I don't want any disconnection in this particular haircut. I don't want any length kind of dangling over where we just got done scissor over combing. I want it to flow and blend perfectly. Alright, just doing a quick blow dry here just so we can do one last cross check to make sure that the top blends fluidly with the sides and back. Alright, so now we are just going to trim a little bit of the length on the top. Not really to take the length down so much, but more just to strengthen up the line. We have not actually cut the top yet. We've blended the top into the sides and back, but as far as actually cutting the top, that's what we are doing right here. And I wanted to kind of leave the hair more on the longer side, so as you can see, I'm taking very little off, just strengthening the shape at the top so that it flows nice and fluid. Alright, so now I'm putting in a little bit of pomade just to dress and style the hair. The haircut is all done. I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great videos on haircut tutorials and tips. And thank you guys so very much for watching. I really appreciate you tons.